So we have now reached another place that is protected by the Directorate of Archives and Archaeology, Government of Goa, and this place is called as the Ishwarbhat cave. Again, this is at a scenic location on the bank of river Khandepar. This cave of Ishwarbhat is carved out of a single rock, and the unique part of this is the icon is on the ground without the pedestal, but it has that yoni and the phallic structure on top, that is the sacred icon of Mahadev or Shiva. And what they have done over here is they have left a circumambulatory cut out of the same rock. And you won't believe it's at such a scenic location. Just follow me and you see how beautiful. This is the shrine and this is the Khandepar river, so beautiful. So ladies and gentlemen, this cave shrine that is there, it is supposedly dated to around 9th to the 10th century. It has this icon of Shiva, again with its yoni facing the north, and it has got this circumambulatory. And let me remind you over here, protocols have to be followed, and one of the protocol is that when you put the water on top of this ling or the phallic icon and the water flows out, the devotees don't cross over. So you will find that I have gone for a circumambulation, stopped near there, and then I have come back and completed it by going this side. These are a few protocols that we must follow over here in any Shiva temple. So as soon as you get that water crossing, don't cross over it, come back to the other side.